YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to Florida. We're back here on the 2011 BMW M3. So this is my cheapest M3 in the world. What we're gonna be doing today is detailing all of it. We're gonna be getting rid of a lot of junk, vacuuming underneath the seats, cleaning everything, just really detailing this beautiful black interior. We're gonna do it really detailed, efficiently, and get a nice before and after. It is a really hot day here in Florida, so I'm not gonna have the car out here for too long. I should have done this in the morning. It's like 94 degrees in Florida right now, just super hot and sunny. This leather is gonna be hot to the touch, but what I will tell you, it will love the leather treatment that I put on it today. So let's get without further ado, let's get to vacuuming and cleaning. The first step we're gonna do is we're gonna use a Hoover vacuum and we're gonna vacuum the entire car. But we also have a bunch of little fun goodies that I've bought for the car. This is gonna be some amazing before and after. We're gonna be using, we're gonna use some Windex to clean it. I love spray away. Spray away with a microfiber is really good. We're gonna be using a little detail brush that we got over here, and then we're gonna be using some of Jay Leno's leather conditioner. And we're gonna be doing all this on the interior to get a nice before and after. First things first though, oh, and we're gonna be doing one of these. Where is that? This spray right here. I love this. So first things first, we put this seat all the way forward. You're gonna see there's a bunch of junk and garbage underneath here. Look at all that stuff. We're gonna remove all that. You know, things too big for the vacuum. And then we'll do this underneath the driver's seat as well. Okay, I've been out about an hour. This is all the junk I found underneath the seat. I've gotten this side done. It looks so wonderful. So just crazy amount of vacuum. I do want to get a brush vacuum. I have like a little nozzle vacuum. And then what I like to do is, you can see how good this side of the seat looks compared to how icky and greasy that does. What I like to do is, tell me if I'm crazy, but I use spray away, this right here, and I use it on pretty much everything in a car. It takes all grease and oils away. I don't know if because it doesn't have ammonia, I don't know if it damages anything, but I've been using it for years. And so I just use spray away with a rag, wipe it and scrub it all down. And then I also use a detailed brush here on inner parts. So this was so bad and dirty, and what I did was use spray away, detail brush, and then wipe it away with the microfiber, and then I did the same inside of here. Look how nice that looks. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's really hot, so I've been taking my time with the Florida weather. That being said, we are going to clean one of these lower back floor mats and put it back in here. Okay, we're about 2 hours in. The Florida heat, it's so hard to do this, guys. I gotta take breaks. I did want to show you all that junk that came out underneath the seat right there. Unbelievable. All that was underneath this here, but it looks so good right now. Oh my gosh. That looks so much better condition. Sorry about the wind. The door looks good. I wiped down the door. I did run out of spray clean, so I'm gonna get another can of that. And then even the carpet down here looks really good. I do need to do the detail brush around the dash and up here, so we're gonna do that next, and then we'll move on over to the driver's side. Believe it or not, it is an entire day later, guys. The Florida heat is so insanely difficult to work in. It's so hot. I feel like I could detail all 4 of my old red cars in Washington in an afternoon. This is like 2 days in, and I just got the inside done. So the inside looks absolutely so much better. We used Windex. It's called spray away. I spray it, and then I used a little detail brush, did that all over it, wiped it away with the microfiber, vacuumed the interior. So much sand because it's Florida. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the Jay Leno's leather conditioning, and we're gonna put this on all the leather around the vehicle. I could see why someone in Florida would charge so much for a detail job, because it's so hot. Okay, so we're gonna use moisturizing leather by Jay Leno. I met Jay Leno one time actually. We're gonna put it on the car or the seat. We're gonna let it rub it in, and then let it dry for 5 minutes, and then buffer the rest off of it. It should just give it more of a moisturizing, it should look similar to what I've done right now. I removed all the oils. It shouldn't be shiny. We're not looking for that shiny on this leather. Okay, I am so proud of this interior. You can see it's drying right here. It'll all look really nice, matte, just clean aesthetic. So it needs to dry for a little bit, but while it's drying, we're gonna use this new car odor eliminator. I love these. So this is, you know, nicknamed Car Bomb. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the car on, put this in where the center glove box is with the roof on, and we'll run the AC, and it'll just run this odor eliminator through all the vents and through the even the air filter, the cabin air filter. I should probably change the cabin air filter. I just don't have one. We'll do that. But you can still see that the leather is drying, so it is wet from the J Linos, but the final product will be really good. So we're gonna start the car, put the hard top on, use the odor eliminator, and then we're gonna be pretty much done with the interior. I did already get a new steering wheel from Facebook Marketplace. It's a flat bottom with Alcantara. It's gonna look really good, so I'll do an install video for that. I'll be happy with that. But the car already looks so much better. Look at that. I love that. That looks so good. So let's use this odor eliminator with the top on. Okay, we have the M3 started. The roof is now on. We put the roof on right here. We're gonna use this odor eliminator. I'm gonna shake it right here, and we're gonna set it right in the middle there. I think that's a good spot instead of up here. So we're gonna put it, it's just gonna shoot up in the car, close the door, and hopefully the car doesn't lock us out. I don't think it has an auto lock. That being said, let's go ahead and let it go. So it's just like that. Put it in there, call it a day. And there you go. We'll let this run probably for till it runs out, and then let it go for another 10 minutes. Okay, super happy with the outcome. Super happy. That is amazing. Let's put this guy like that. It looks so good. You guys, it looks really good. Better in person. Okay, we're gonna leave this, close this up. I do want to do a couple things. I'm gonna have to vacuum the back of this, get it clean, and then I think that this battery, it's a Napa battery. I don't know how the age of it, but we're gonna look, but it actually might be a little bit newer than I thought. I was hoping it'd be like quite a few years old, or even the OEM one. I did order a new battery because it was saying it was over discharging, but maybe this one's just not registered to it. I don't know if you guys know about the BMWs. But that means that we're gonna clean out this, pull out the battery real quick, look at the date on it, and then next video we're gonna be doing a full wash, but I'm just super happy with the outcome. So the rest of the stuff is just gonna be for the next video. We got headlights, well, that'll be a separate video. We'll do the car wash, the wax. I'm gonna put some fuel system cleaner in the next video. Do some windshield wipers and windshield fluid. That'll all be one. It's just one of those things is that when I buy a car, this is usually what I do. I've done this with all my Lotuses and CELICAs, and I'm telling you, it goes from being like deferred maintenance and ratchet to someone like my wife getting in it, and she's like, wow, this is nice. So there we go. The last thing I'll say is that someone should have told me about this Florida weather. It's so hot in Florida. I'm shirtless and just hot. This is hot here. July, I guess is like, this is like, we've been here in August before, but it was kind of a rainy time. But now this is July, it's just so hot. So come back for next video. We'll make it even look nicer. I really like this car, it's a good car. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by my website, MITSUBISHI.com, and come back for the next video where we detail the exterior of the 2011 BMW 414 horsepower M3. See you guys in the next video.